Hello, so I've been getting this question lately a lot, and it's time for me to give you answers of what trading is and how to do the trading, how to start trading, and all of that. So this video is gonna be long, but I'd advise you be patient and watch till the end for the beginners and the person who have never tried trading. So it's good you listen step by step on how to start trading and how to start earning and all of that, the strategies, everything. So for the person who told me that they don't know how to even select bots, select where to select run and stop, where to know the entries, where to see the analysis tool and everything, I'll show you. It's good you listen till the end. So the first thing, as a beginner, as a person who doesn't know how to trade, you just found a video somewhere and decided to start. It's good, like when you get it on TikTok, you can select, let me show you. On TikTok, let's say for example you found a video like this, G trading app, like this. You can select my profile. This is the TikTok profile. Here you will see on the bio, you'll see a link where you can click there. Then you don't know how to, you don't have a trading account yet, so click here, this link around here, you can see it, create a trading account. Then after creating that trading account, you can come back, then join my signal channel, that is trading signal channel, or come to trade here. Click there, you go to our website where you get all the tools on on how to trade and the tools that we'll use to trade and make money. So first thing, let me show you, the bots are free, the analysis tool is free, the mentorship is free, everything is free. So you come to this area, you can see dashboard, bot builder, Geetrader, tutorials, analysis tool, Geetrading tool, bots, and copy trading and trading calculator. So come and select this area. You can see the bots. The bots are absolutely free. So when you select the bots, you can see there are so many bots that you can use. There is a self-analysis bot that doesn't need to use analysis tool. You can set it as it is, then run it. It defines its entry. There are others, the accumulator bot, AI bots, digits bot, rise and fall, a bot with Martingale, and all of that. So let's start with the bot with self-analysis. The first bot here, G Pro under 7 self-analysis bot. So click there. You can see it has loaded. So if you said you don't know how to load a bot, come to this area, click bots, then load bot. You just click load bot. After loading, you can see it's here. So you can change to whatever you want to trade, the trade type, the market and contract and all of that. I would advise about the capital, start with at least minimum of $50 and above for the capital to start trading. Mentorship will always be free, so you'll have some knowledge on how to trade with that money, how to invest that money if it's investing. So you come to the market, change volatility 75, it works perfectly in this bot. With under trade types, you can change any trade type that you want, over, under, even, odd, matches, differs, and all of that. So the bot is built purposely for trading under 7, so over and under. Contract type is here, you can change to contract type, that is under. Then you scroll down, make sure you don't click the blocks, change stake. I'll say for example I have $100, that is $100. My take profit, I would never want the bot to trade more, so many runs, so let me make it 100, because then the stop loss, take profit, make sure you you just estimate the balance that you have and stake. So stop loss is 200 if I had a lot of money. Then entry point, do not change it because we are trading under 7. Martingale, you can change it to 2, you can change it to 1, you can change it to whatever martingale you want. To whatever martingale you want. So I'll change it to 2. But I'll prefer you choose 0.5. It doesn't multiply if you use 0.5, but with 2 it will multiply. With 1 it will remain with the same stake that you started with. So scroll down again to the prediction, that is 7. Prediction digit is 7. We are trading under 7. The market, the bot will analyze on itself. When it gets an entry point of 8, it will run or buy. So your job is to just click run after setting everything. If you want an entry point of like, I want it to trade to enter the trade at 9, digit 9, you can put 9, but we are using 8. So click run. Then we stop. You can see it's a win. Have you seen that? It's a win. So that's how it does. But because this is a real account, you can see I've got a profit of $34, and I was using an self-analysis bot. Let's see on the journal part. Win payout if the last digit of volatility 75, which we put here 75, is strictly lower than 7 after one tick. So that let me see and tell you. That was the digit that was under 7 was lower than 7, as made us get a profit. You can see it was 0. Have you seen it? Like that. So let's go to demo. I show you how it analyzes, because I never wanted to trade on real, but I've done it. You can see how perfect the bot is. I was not aware I will trade on real, but I've got a profit, which is $34. And this account, I was growing it from $300 since morning. So it's growing still. My target is 2,000 and I'm almost there. So let's change to demo. So I show you how it analyzes itself. Okay, let's do it. You click after setting. Remember, you have set your bot already. Entry point you have set. Let's trade on demo. Come to the contract type, change again because it had changed. Under 7. Come here, prediction. Remember, never forget to change the prediction. Prediction 7. Then run your bot. It will find its entry on its own. So let's see. It's finding an entry. It's a win. You can see here. Hey. The entry was too far. You can see. I don't know if I'll get it, but it's okay. It's okay. You can see the entries. It has found its own entry. Then the digit that this entry and exit spot was 1, so it went on win. You can see this is the area that it finds its entry. It shows how it's finding its entry. We said the digit 8, entry point is digit 8 under 7. So we wait and see if it goes on win or it's another win. You can see after winning, it finds another entry, just like that. This is the work. It does its work on its own. You'll never go to the analysis tool to find your entry. It will do it on its own. You can see that's another win. After finding another entry, you just watch it do its work. That is it. You can see, right? So that is it. That's all about this self-analysis bot. You can stop it. After stopping, So this is part 1. I hope I find the part 1 of how to use this under 7 self-analysis bot. I'll show you next part. I'll show you how to use the digits bot, the G Pro digits bot, and analyze. So there is a person who asked me when they don't know how to run and how to stop. Running, you can see the green part here. It is run the bot. Bot is not running. So if you want it to run, you click run. If you want to stop, you click stop. Just like that. You can see. Here is where to run the bot and where to stop it. And where to load the bot is on the bot section. After opening the website, you click load the bot, whatever bot that you want to use. If you have not understood, you can text me on WhatsApp or either Telegram. I'll help you, or maybe leave a comment on the comment sections, then I'll answer your questions. Good luck with the bot.